I was diagnosed with osteoarthritis about 18, 19 years ago, and I have it through my entire body, but in the last few years it's been getting a lot worse in my hands. I've had cortisone injections put into my thumbs, and that helped for about 2 months, and then the pain was right back as severe as before. So then my daughter heard of Dr. Huang, and I came to him and have been getting acupuncture, and it was almost like a miracle. The pain was just subsided, and I just felt comfortable. I could write again, I could pick things up. It was just wonderful. And now I just have to go back once in a while, just for a little booster again. And I'm not taking any more Tylenol, which I was doing about 8 extra strength Tylenol a day. I'm on a lot of other medication, and this doesn't interfere with anything. It's not painful. It's very easy to do. It's just a miracle for me.